Who are you and what do you do?
Mike Neidert. I'm the VP of Development for Ximedica. We're a full-service product development partner, and that would include sort of the whole suite of products, right? From mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, optics, your basic R&D functionality, through to digital design, digital interface design, UX, and then we also have in-house quality, regulatory, and sort of small manufacturing capabilities.
Let me ask you to be more specific, because you just said we can help you make just about anything.
To a certain extent, we do focus only on medtech, but if you look at our partners, that will run the gamut from consumer health, so measuring sleep and sleep quality and whatnot, all the way through to surgical robotics.
So your sweet spot then would be?
So, our sweet spot is medtech product design, really. Will be more expensive than, a typical design house. But I think what we're looking for is a startup that's sort of past Series A funding and is looking for a partner to really take their product through to commercialization.
So you say startups. What % of your business is helping companies that have not yet commercialized anything?
Sure. So out of our San Francisco office, what we really aim for...
How many offices do you have?
So we have 4 offices.
Okay.
Out of the San Francisco office where I'm based, we aim for about a 50-50 split. So half startups and then half large caps.
So how many employees total?
We're right around 200 across the U.S.
And the majority of the staff is somewhere steeped in the arts of engineering and design and development.
Right.
Do you do any manufacturing?
We do small manufacturing builds. So I think up to around 1,000 units per year is...
So this sounds like the prototype stage.
Right. So clinical builds, that sort of thing is where we would excel. And then for commercialization manufacturing, you're probably better off going to a contract manufacturer.
I'm going to ask you a really hard question now.
I love it.
Okay. You say you love it. The hard question is, boy, do I know a lot of product design and development firms. Why would I pick you over them?
Yeah, I think what you would look for from Ximedica, right, is one, a focus solely on medtech, but then 2 is the incorporation of quality systems and regulatory and even manufacturing, right? So when you're working with us, it's not just, here's a design, build it. What we're really looking at is what are your business objectives? What are you trying to do? And then how do we communicate that into commercialization, right? So it's not just, that looks great, we're going to build that for you. It's, all right, let's take a step back. Let's take a look at your IP strategy. Let's take a look at your quality file and build that entire suite of products so that it's not just that we're building a product, but we're getting your business either to commercialization or to exit.
Okay. Last, I'll have you talk right to the camera and tell your preferred audience, the folks that would do best working with you, when they know it's time to call you. Where are they in their development and when is it time to give you a call?
Yeah, so it really depends on on where you are in your business, right? So if it's a large cap manufacturer, where we can really add a lot of value is in the products that you don't have resources to fill, right? So we basically fill up that R&D slack. For a startup, I think after Series A financing, you've shown that you have a viable concept and that there is a market for it. But you really need to drive that through to commercialization. I think that's really the stage where you would want to get Ximedica involved.
Fair enough. Nice to meet you. Thank you, Mike.
Thank you.